everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and of course I am back today with another wig review. Now the lighting in this clip might be a little bit different than the clip you guys are going to see after this little introduction, but that's because I filmed this part later on because I was looking for the link to this wig, which I did get from Amazon. So make sure you guys check the description box below. And then I had to eat, so my lipstick might be a tad bit different than how it looks, okay? But we got it together. So as y'all can see, I got this cute little bob wig with some bangs. Y'all know, two things I love. So I'm going to give you guys some details about this wig, and of course I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel about this wig. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. When you apply this coupon. The hair length is 14 inches. It's a long bob wig with bangs. The hair color, natural black. 100% high quality heat resistant synthetic hair. Cap size is a medium. Average 22.75 inches. Can be adjusted to 22 inches to 23 inches. Natural looking and soft touch texture. It says that the wig can be straightened and curled as you like, as long as it's below 360 degrees Celsius. So as y'all see, like, the wig is kind of like flipping up a little bit, and it was doing that in the clip as well. I did use my flat iron. I think I had it like on 200, and I kind of had, you know, flat ironed it a little bit earlier just to kind of make it straight, because it was doing all this. It worked a little bit, but not too much. I mean, it's not bad. It's really not bad, but I don't know, I just kind of hate when it's supposed to be straight and it's doing all that flipping. But overall, this wig is cute. She's a cutie pie. Nice length, everything. She's real cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and of course show you guys all around. So this is how it looks in the front. side, back, other side. So definitely cute. She probably doesn't look like a synthetic wig on camera, but she kind of feels like one. So, but yeah, I want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it. It's really, really super duper cute. It's definitely cute, definitely my type of wig. So hopefully I get a chance to work with them again in the future. But you guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the length, the texture, and all of that. Let me know how it looks on me. Would you rock this wig and all of that good stuff? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.